Today, 6th May 2025. Asset XAU USD, gold versus US dollar. Time frame 1 hour. Indicators present. Moving average adaptive, MAA, with periods. 20, yellow, 50, orange, and 200, pink. RSI, 14. Currently at 69.82, just below the overbought level, 70. Technical insights. Price action. Gold is in a short-term uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows since late April. Recent bullish momentum has pushed price above all three MAs, 20, 50, and 200, suggesting strong buying interest. Moving averages. Bullish alignment, 20, 50, 200, confirming trend strength. Price is currently pulling back slightly after a strong rally, but remains above all MAs, suggesting the pullback might be a dip buying opportunity. RSI, approaching overbought territory. If RSI crosses above 70 and flattens or reverses, it could indicate a potential short-term correction or consolidation. Potential strategy consideration. Bullish bias remains intact unless price closes below the 200 MA. Watch for RSI divergence or bearish candlestick patterns near overbought levels for short entries. For long trades, look for bounces near the 20 or 50 MAA with RSI support.